Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Step 2 Path. I am Pooja. Today I will discuss a serious mental health issue, that is depression. What is mental health? A mental health disorder is any disorder that causes a person to experience different behavior than their normal behavior, or an altered mood or a pattern of thinking. Why we face mental issues? Due to stress, illness, anxiety, problems, sadness. A major issue nowadays is depression. Depression is a common mental disorder that causes people to experience depressed mood, loss of interest, feeling guilty, disturbed sleep, low energy. Depression is an illness that involves the body, mood and thought that affect the way of a person eating, sleeping, feel about themselves. What causes depression? Sadness, unhappiness, unwanted feeling or feeling worthless. In India, government estimates that about 1 in 5 people in the country need counseling. 36% of Indians are likely to suffer from a major depression at some point in their life. 42.5% of corporate employees in India suffer from depression. Nearly half of those who serve mental disorder are not treated. Major symptoms of depression are feeling sad, faint, lack of concentration, sleeping less or more than usual, weight loss, weight gain, feeling guilty, loss of interest, or thought about death or suicide. What causes depression? Genetic. The risk increases if there is a family history for the condition. Hormonal changes. For women, depression can be related to hormonal changes, especially after childbirth. Biochemistry. The disease might be caused by an imbalance of certain chemicals in the brain. Environment. Being exposed to a stressful situation, life events can be trigger depression. Why don't Indians take mental health seriously? Maybe just for judgment and fear. Society that does not consider mental health an issue, your own family and friends will ignore the issue. Empathy. Lack of empathy. People do not engage in an issue related to mental health. Expensive treatment. One needs to have lots of time and money to buy medicines and go to the therapy to avail treatment. Education. We need to educate people towards the signs and symptoms of mental illness. Here are some facts about depression. Depression affects over 18 million adults in a year. Depression is the leading cause of disability for the age of 15 to 44 years. Depression affects over 300 million people worldwide. Depression is the primary reason why someone dies of suicide about every 13 minutes. Some fact of depression in India. Close to 8 lakh people die due to suicide every year, which is 1 person every 40 seconds. WHO estimates that 1 in 4 people in the world will affected by mental disorder at some point in their lives. Around 450 million people currently suffer from such condition, placing mental disorder among the leading cause of ill health and disability worldwide. Close to 8 lakh people die due to suicide every year in India. Suicide is the second leading cause of death in 15 to 29 years old in India. Help them who are suffering from depression. Be patient with them and try to go with the flow as much as possible. Support someone who are suffering from depression by a small way. Listen to understand, not to judge them. Make them care package. Take them out for a cup of a tea, watch their favorite movies, hug them, write a message or a letter for them, bring a hot meal. These such things will help someone to not take such biggest steps such as suicide. Thank you. Please like, share to others and subscribe for the further videos. Thank you.